So when it comes to the GK part, I think you can follow. What I used to do was I used to follow some online channels on YouTube, like Study IQ, for example, which provided me with the information. And the other thing I used to do was the test series I had. So there was this GK section which they used to update every week. So that I used to follow. These are the two sources I followed. But I would recommend one thing is the newspapers, especially the Hindu newspaper. So that's one thing which can be followed for keeping update of your general knowledge. And apart from the GK section in cons in XAT paper, this thing will also help with your interviews. They always keep a check on your general awareness when it comes to interviews. So yeah, following these three sources, I guess any online channel on YouTube or any specific or any newspaper, or I guess the course which is provided by the institutes also. That these three sources are enough for your GK. And when it comes to decision making, I think like the 1 month you get between CAT, I did not prepare it before CAT, but the 1 month you get after CAT and before that, I think preparing decision making in that, that is an ample time to prepare for decision making. So one thing I would suggest is give past papers of that for decision making and try to understand the pattern which XLRI has some values and ethics, and they used to portray that, they try to portray that using decision making. So once you give their past papers, let's say past 10 papers decision making part, you get a hang and you get a flow and a logical flow which they have been for section and what values they try to achieve through that section. So once you get a hang of that, I think like decision making is a very doable part. It's more of general like common sense than knowledge.